let's pack lunch for my girlfriend. It's my girlfriend's first day going into the office, and she asked me to pack lunch for her, to which I replied, what the heck do you take me for? Someone whose love language is acts of service? Well, you're right. I'd be happy to pack lunch for you. Anyways, today's lunch is going to be a pasta salad. Also, bonus tip, to cook pasta perfectly for pasta salad, salt the water heavier than you would for regular pasta, and then cook it 1 minute longer than what the package states as al dente. Starches like pasta firm up as they cool, so it'll be the perfect texture when it's time for her to eat. Don't wash it under cold water, that's a rookie mistake. Instead, immediately toss the cooked warm pasta in olive oil to prevent clumping, and then mix the salad while it's still warm. That way the pasta absorbs flavor from all the different ingredients. My girlfriend's favorite salad dressing is actually just the juice from pickled jalapenos, so I save every jar that we finish. Now here I'm thinking she needs protein, so I added some sliced prosciutto and mozzarella balls. But then I did even more thinking, and then I was like, there's not enough fiber, and gorgeous girls need to eat lots of fiber. Solution: chia seed pudding. 1 part chia seeds to 4 part unsweetened almond milk. I usually leave sweetener out of the big batch so I can make different flavors out of it. Today's just going to be plain, so I'm adding honey, but tomorrow might be raspberry jam, or maybe some condensed milk and cinnamon. That way it doesn't get boring. Then some sliced strawberries because they're her favorite fruit, and a few chocolate covered cherries from Trader Joe's because that's her current Trader Joe's obsession. And last but not least, this was a tradition that started when she was interning, but I usually leave a badly drawn animal in every lunch I pack. Today's a penguin that's also a licensed pharmacist. She keeps all the drawings, which I think is cute or something, I guess. Anyways, off to work with you. Bye.